Moon Salutation is one of my favorite series. A lot of people are familiar with Sun Salutation, but Moon Salutation is moving laterally as opposed to forwards and back. And I'm going to show you the Kuthuta Yoga version, or the version that we like to do it, Kuthuta Yoga, and my name is Yoga Sensei Tawani Clark. So getting ready for Moon Salutation, make sure first of all there's enough space either side of the mat. I like to place myself right in the center of the mat, so as much space in the front of the mat, in front of my toes, as behind the mat, behind my heels, as much to the left and to the right. It's about 15 poses, but 8 unique poses in this beautiful series that honors the moon. Moon Salutation in Sanskrit, it's known as Chandra. Chandra means moon, and Asana means poses. So Chandrasana is one of the poses. It's one of the first poses we'll do, but Chandra Namaskar. Chandra meaning moon and Namaskar meaning to salute. And we begin. Inhale, bring the feet together and lift the toes. Exhale, beautiful spreading of the toes and grounding of the feet. Inhale, engage the quads, slightly soften the knees. Exhale, tighten the butt a little bit, tucking up halves. Inhale, mind the gap. And exhale, engage the tummy, a little bit of core work there. Inhale, lift the chest. And exhale, relax the arms and shoulders down. And gently inhale, the hands together at the heart. Exhale with the thumbs gently pressing into the sternum between the breasts. Inhale, lift the chin slightly forward, and exhale, relax. Pausing a moment here in mountain pose, checking that the backs of the ears are over the shoulders and the shoulders over the hips and the hips over the ankles. And we begin with the sliver of the new moon. Inhale, reach the arms all the way up, stretching both sides of the back, shoulders broad. Exhale, tighten the butt, engage tummy, push hips left, and lean arms to the right. Listening to how deep we can go in our back. Inhale, lengthen both sides of the body. Exhale, squeeze the arms to the ears, push the palms together. Inhale, look up underneath the left armpits to the ceiling. Exhale, squeeze. Inhale, reach all the way up. And exhale over to the left. So this is moon pose. Inhale, extend both sides of the body. Exhale, squeeze the ears with the arms, palms pressed. Inhale, look up to the ceiling. Exhale, reach. Engage tummy, pelvic floor muscles. Inhale, reach all the way up. Woo, break out in a sweat already. Exhale, the moon becomes bigger. It's waxing, arms shoulder high. Inhale, turn the feet out 90 degrees. And exhale, place them underneath the elbows. Kalyasana tempo. Inhale, squat. Exhale, push out the knees and reach up, pulling in the tummy. Check not to arch. Inhale, lengthen, exhale. Triangle is next. Inhale, straighten the legs, and exhale, turn the palms forwards. Inhale, lift the toes of the left foot up. Exhale, turn them forwards and even a tad in. Inhale, lift the heel of that left foot. Exhale, place it to the middle of the mat, turn the right foot up. Inhale, lengthen shoulders broad. Exhale, tighten the butt. Engage core. Inhale, show me some attitude. Push the hips left. Exhale, reach over to the right. Inhale, the left hand to the knee or the shin. Exhale, right. Inhale, push the shoulders forward. Exhale. Ensure that the hand is not to the ankle, but to the shin or past the shin. I like this variation. Inhale, reach and exhale. Engage tummy, pelvic floor muscles, support the back. Inhale, come up, Exhale, release that. I don't know about you, but my arms need that release. Pyramid pose. Inhale, lift the toes of that right foot all the way up. Exhale, take them back towards the back of the mat and align the foot parallel. Inhale, the back left foot, one foot in. And exhale, take it a little bit forwards. Just narrowing the stance. Inhale onto the wall of that back left foot. And exhale, turn it 45 degrees in and lower the heel. Inhale, turn the body to face the right side. And exhale, the toes a little, rotate the thighs inwards. Inhale, lengthen the spine, tighten back, tuck in, tummy, pull in, pelvic floor muscles. Exhale, hinge forward, staying here. This is where the back is straight and safe. Or if the back is okay, all the way down. Showing the legs are slightly soft. Relax the neck, relax the shoulders, the arm. One more breath. And inhale, bend the front leg, hands on the floor. Exhale, the back foot back and lower into the left, back foot flex. Inhale, lift the chest, look forwards. And exhale, try to relax the arms and shoulders to sink into the earth a little and breathe. Just try to release any tension, allow the stretch, don't fight it, go with the flow. Lord of War. Inhale, turn back forwards, hands can be on knees, feet 45. Exhale, stay with hands on knees or to the floor. Inhale, bend the right leg, hips stay forwards. And exhale, stay here, keep breathing. Or inhale and go a little low as long as feet stay on the floor. And exhale, one more time. Skandasana. Inhale, come midway and exhale. Inhale, lift the toes all the way up, weight on heels. Exhale, the toes in towards each other. Inhale, lift the heels, weight on the balls of the feet and knees for stability. Exhale, the heels. Inhale, bend the legs. And then engage tummy, pelvic floor muscles. Exhale, come up to the glory of the full moon. Inhale, sinking, tightening by pulling in tummy. Exhale, lift the elbows, shoulder height, feel energy and keep breathing. Don't surrender, don't give your energy away. Keep your energy with you and breathe. Kalyasana, goddess pose. And now the moon is going smaller. Inhale, straighten the legs. Exhale with the flat back, hands to the knees or to the floor. Inhale, lift the heels up. Exhale, turn the heels outwards and down. Inhale, shift the weight to the heels, lift toes. Exhale, turn the toes outwards and down. Skandasana. Inhale, bend the left leg. Keep breathing. Remember, this will not open the hips. Avoid taking the body to the left. Keep the body forwards. Inhale, stay here or here, or exhale, coming down as long as both feet are on the ground and knees are safe. One more deep breath. Exhale. Inhale, swivel to the left, hands either side of the left foot, and exhale, gently drop the back knee, point the back foot, Sun Salutation. Inhale, facing the left, lifting the body if the back feels okay, otherwise stay forwards. Exhale, sink, surrender. Breathe in, ankle underneath, knee, exhale, arch, the foot arched enough up, and Pavottanasana. Inhale, that left foot, one foot back, and exhale, the back foot 45 degrees and one foot in. Inhale, rotate the hips as much as possible. If they're slightly here, that's okay. Exhale, rotate the thighs, engage quads. Inhale, lengthen up the spine. tightening butt, pulling in tummy, pelvic floor muscles tight. Exhale, keeping the back straight. Stay here. This is where the back is comfortable. Continuing the exhale. Exhale, drop head, drop arms. One more deep breath. And exhale, engage tummy, pelvic floor muscles with Theta, Trikonasana, triangle. Inhale the arms all the way up. Exhale, open the palms and arms to face the front. Inhale the right foot to face forwards and exhale it back to the middle of the mat. Inhale onto the balls of the left foot. Exhale the heel to the middle of the mat and straighten. Inhale, shoulders forward, tuck up the pelvis. Exhale, show me some attitude, hips right. Inhale, reach to the left and hand down to the shin. Exhale, reach up. Inhale, shoulders back. Exhale, hand can stay on knee if it's too intense. And breathe. Engage tummy, pelvic floor muscles. Kalyasana. Inhale, come upright. Arms parallel. Exhale, swivel palms to the floor, feet 45 degrees to the corners of the mat. Inhale, tuck up the pelvis. Exhale, squat in Kalyasana, reaching up, shoulders broad, pulling in the tongue. Avoid arching, tuck up. And exhale, reach. One more deep breath here. Inhale, straighten the legs. Exhale, the feet together, hands together. The moon is back to new moon. Inhale, reach all the way up, broad shoulders, tighten butt. Exhale, the hips right, the arms left. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, squeeze your arms to your ears, palms together. Inhale, look up. Exhale, inhale, engage tummy, pelvic floor muscles up. Exhale, Chandrasana to the other side, to the right. Inhale, extend, lengthen both sides of the body. Exhale, squeeze arms to ears, arms straight, palms together. Inhale, look up, underneath the left arm. Exhale. Inhale, engage the tummy and come all the way up. And exhale, bring the hands down to the heart for Tadasana. And this calls for a Namaste. The divine in me salutes the divine in you. Thank you very much for joining this Moon Salutation. If you'd like a whole class with Moon Salutation with a warm-up before and other poses building up on this lateral work, do check out the Kuthuta Yoga Online Studio. You will see the URL at the bottom. It's just app.namaskar.com/Kuthuta-in yoga. And make sure you subscribe if you're watching this